In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield 2042 connection error. So first thing you want to check is to check if the server is down. So go here, type Battlefield 2042 down. So type is Battlefield down. So you'll get a website like this. And if you see like big spike, and if you see something like it says it's having issues, then you should just wait because the server is down. And if you wait, it should like just fix on its own. Now if that's not the case, then what you need to do is go here and type control panel. Over here, go to network, then network and sharing. Go to your internet, and then properties. Then down here, go to where it says Internet Protocol version 4. Then properties, use the following DNS. Then type 8.8.8, then 8844. After this, click OK. Then click OK. Then you can close this down. So next thing, go to CMD, run as administrator. Now type ipconfig/renew and then press enter. And then ipconfig flush DNS. Then lastly, ipconfig register DNS. And once you do this, this should fix the issue.